Hi there, this is our global GL6266A by 3 metres. Got some really good features, this lathe. I think it's manufactured in 2011. Got your chuck guard there, your quick change, DRO, rapids to the carriage, tailstock's got the crank handle on it, etc. It's got the large bore in it, 105mm I think. The only things that I notice with this lathe is it's missing the bed clamp for the tapered turning attachment, and your wiring under here that goes to the carriage, your electrical wiring, the electrical conduit that goes around to protect that really needs replacing. Apart from that, it's a tidy machine. So you'll see the photos from the back and in the end here. You've got your chuck guard there. It's not electrically switched, it's just a manual chuck guard. The bed's in reasonable condition, bit of scuffing up the seam but not bad. Got your quick change. We'll start with the carriage. So that's nice to move back and forward, cross slide, again nice to move, and no play whatsoever in that. Compound slides, good to move. A little bit of play in that. Your rapids, just put the handle in, cross slide going away from you, back here this way. Digital readout, you won't be able to see it, but that's working. Obviously you've got your supports here for your feeds, etc. The tailstock, it's nice to move in and out, feels reasonable inside, bit of surface rust by the look of my finger. So got your crank handle here and the lock for that, and also your lock for that quill. Emergency foot brake, 2 e-stops there. Oh, your light, that's working, that halogen light. I'll turn the coolant pump on. I haven't read through it, but there it is, ticking it. Oh, it's giving a bit of fluid out now. So that's your coolant system operating there. We'll start it up and just take you through the feeds, etc. I've got it in a relatively low gear. Oh, so that's reverse, neutral, forward. So I'll just go through these. So they seem to be working nicely. Take you through the feed. So there it is feeding that way. You won't be able to see that because it disengages this. And then obviously your rapid. And now feeding towards me, which it is. Rapid. And feeding away from you and rapid. And then feeding back towards you and rapid on that joystick. I'll engage the lead screw. So that's that lead screw engaged. Going that way. And change the lead screw direction going that way. So that's pretty much the feeds there. I'll take you through the speed range so you can listen to that headstock. It's got headstock clutches. Bear with me. So we'll start from the lowest, which will be 20. Oh, haven't got that right. Try that. So that's the lowest, 25, 35, 50. 70. Change that range, so, and go to C. So that will be 180. $250. 350. 480. So that's that low range done. We'll take you through the high range. Y will be the close. Yep. So this will be. I'll make it easier myself. 215. 155. That is 110. And that's 85. Change that range, it's got 4 to go, so that's 540. $750. 2 more. 1100. One more. 1600, which is its top speed. And it's got that emergency foot brake there, which obviously slows the spindle down and switches it off electrically. So there's probably not much more to tell. So it's got the big spindle bore, headstock clutches, your quick change, your DRO, your rapids, and she's all set to go.